Have you ever wondered why Solana is gaining popularity in the blockchain world? Just like you, many are intrigued by this high-performance, permissionless blockchain. Today, we'll explore the remarkable features and benefits of Solana, and by the time we're through, you'll understand why it's making waves in the blockchain ecosystem. First off, let's talk speed. In the world of blockchain, speed is king, and Solana wears the crown with pride. It processes transactions at an astonishing rate of 50,000 per second. That's way faster than a blink of an eye. Imagine this. While you're waiting for a transaction to process on other blockchains, Solana has already processed thousands. It's like comparing a snail race to a rocket launch. But speed isn't Solana's only strength. It's also incredibly scalable. In the world of tech, scalability means the ability to handle a growing amount of work, and Solana does this effortlessly. As the number of users on the network increases, Solana's performance remains consistent. It's like a highway with infinite lanes. No matter how many cars join the road, traffic keeps flowing smoothly. Now, this might get a bit technical, but it's worth noting. Solana uses something called proof of history. It's a unique consensus algorithm that allows each node to generate its own timestamp. This means that transactions can be processed in parallel, further speeding up the network. Think of it as a factory conveyor belt system, where each worker can complete their task without waiting for the one before them. And here's the cherry on top. Solana maintains a global state. This means that all information is instantly accessible to all nodes on the network. It eliminates the need for roll-ups or second layers, making the network simpler and more efficient. It's like having a library where all books are open and visible at the same time, instead of tucked away on different shelves. In summary, Solana stands out in the blockchain ecosystem due to its unparalleled speed, impressive scalability, the use of a unique consensus algorithm called proof of history, and the maintenance of a global state. These features not only make Solana efficient and user-friendly, but also position it as a future-proof solution in the rapidly evolving blockchain world. So the next time someone asks you about Solana, you'll be able to explain why it's not just another blockchain, but a game changer in the digital world. The future of blockchain is here, and its name is Solana.